morning, guys. What's going on? Joe Mills here for you today. Second day of doing irrigation, and we're doing system checks today. I'm working with Matt again, and we're down in VCU.
After you take the nozzle off to shoot the filter off so that you can put a new filter in as well.
Okay, the nozzle is off. I have pulled the filter off too because it just came a little bit below it, and it is clogged with a whole bunch of nasty stuff.
Alright, do you still have the stem, the piston up in the air?
Yes, I do.
Alright, make sure it's not pointing at you. I'm going to give you a quick shot to make sure that there's no trash still left in that head. And then you can go ahead and put the new nozzle and filter in.
Okay. Alright, it's all attached in, all good. I'm going to drop the stem.
10-4, I'm going to turn the water back on, and you let me know when you get to the next one. Is your rain sensor that collects rainwater and sends a signal to this receiver, which is powered by the controller, and tells the controller if you've had too much rain recently to be worth watering or not. And if you look inside, there are 2 ports that say sensor. There are 2 wires coming from there that are attached to the sensor, and this receiver needs power, so there are also 2 more wires that are attached to the power.
Okay.
The receiver or the rain sensor itself has a watch battery internally, so that's how it sends the signal down to here.
Okay.
All right. And if you want to run water, most controllers will have a bypass switch where you can turn the rain sensor on or off. And because we had rain last night, I actually had to bypass the rain sensor and in order to run water today.
Okay.
When the controller sends power to this valve, it will magnetize the end of this valve and pull this spring up.
Okay.
Which will allow water to come up through this valve, this stem.
Okay, right there.
And once the water starts, it will actually open the diaphragm. The diaphragm will push up completely, allowing more water to go through.
Okay, so it'll release pressure.
Correct. And when the entire time that this is pulled up, that's what it's doing. When it turns the power off, I don't know if you can see or not, but this thing's on a spring. The spring releases back, covers this, and then that will start to stop the water.
Okay.
Then this spring will push the diaphragm closed.
So I'll push it closed, and then that way it'll be sealed back again?
Yes. Yep. And that's how it goes together inside the valves, the valve boxes.
Gotta say, guys, Matt's a really good teacher. Matt, if you see this video, man, solid teacher. Really am enjoying my time with you today. Learned a whole lot. Getting a really good appreciation for irrigation, so thank you.